Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best shower wheelchairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DMI Commode Transport Chair Rolling Shower for Handicap Injured and Disabled. This is an institutional quality Commode folding chair. It is perfect for users who value comfort, reliability, performance, and safety. It is a versatile rolling shower chair that can used as a standalone unit, elevated toilet seat or safety toilet rail frame. Ideally, this rolling shower has a stainless steel construction making it lightweight and corrosion resistant. It will easily fit over the standard toilet and has a seat dimension of 16 inches by 16 inches and has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. The wheelchair comes with safe and secure locking wheels that ensure stability. Moreover, it has armrests that provide additional security when the user is sitting or standing. Lastly, this transport chair has a padded seat and backrest for comfortability. Moving on at number 4, we have the Laguna Professional Instructional Quality Reclining Shower Chair with Padded Seat. The Laguna Professional Shower Chair can be used as beside commode or mobile toilet and can be used as a shower chair or bath wheelchair. It is perfect for caregivers and users as it will offer exceptional comfort and easy toileting. The product is made of a heavy-duty aluminum frame that is corrosion-free, and it is recommended by nursing homes and hospitals nationwide. Ideally, all padded seat armrests and backrest provide safety, comfort, and warmth. This multifunctional showering wheelchair has a reclining backrest and will make treatments, scalp, hair washing, and showering more comfortable. The wide seating area makes this shower chair super dependable for showering, transport, or commode. Above all, the product comes with a lifetime guarantee. At number 3, we have the Giantex Over Toilet Shower Wheelchair with Padded Seat Backrest and Footrest. When it comes to hygiene features, this shower chair by Giantex is an excellent option to have. You can use it as a shower toilet by positioning it over the toilet. It features a softly padded seat assisting you to relax your body. Thus, you will never feel tired even after seating for an extended period. The arms are adjustable, and you can lift them, making this wheelchair very convenient for all users. The canisters are super flexible and are 360 degrees movable for you to turn in any direction. Besides that, the back casters are lockable to securely stop the wheelchair. The pedals turn 90 degrees, making it safe and convenient for users to stand up without falling. At number 2, we have the HOMCOM Personal Assist Shower Commode Mobility Wheelchair. HOMCOM Commode Mobility Wheelchair is ideal for the disabled or elderly in transportation and mobility throughout the home or hospital. It is an FDA-certified commode chair with aluminum alloy and PU-made surface construction. It comes with a large detachable bucket and a lid under the seat that you can easily remove for easy cleaning. This mobility wheelchair has an overall dimension of 21.25 inches x 33.75 inches x 36.25 inches and a weight capacity of 300 pounds. The seat and armrests are well padded to ensure added comfort as well as height adjustable for various needs. The 4 canisters waterproof with brakes make it easy to wheel under a shower. With that said, this mobility shower chair lasts for years and provide you service for decades to come. And finally at number 1, we have the Nurth 4-in-1 Commode Mobile Wheelchair Shower Transport Chair. This wheelchair by Nurth is known for both its convenience and sturdiness. It is a multi-use 4-in-1 shower chair that can be used anywhere thanks to its included pail. Ideally, this padded commode chair will fit perfectly over the standard toilet and has a seat height of 20 inches. With its large and durable wheels, it will easily move across thick carpets and floors. Also, it supports 220 pounds in weight, and the product weighs only 26 pounds. This wheelchair is made of a durable aluminum frame that does not rust. Unlike other old-style chairs, This wheelchair is going to help visually impaired users and older people, preventing them from slipping or falling. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.